Hey, good morning everybody. It's Dr. Brian Prax. I'm here at home and I was about halfway through making my smoothie when I thought, you might like to see how I make a smoothie. So I'm going to actually show you two things, the very simple, very fast, yet nutritious and filling way to make a smoothie. We'll start with that first and then we'll go crazy like I'm able to do today because I do have a little bit of extra time. So one, the simple, fast, nutritious way of doing it, this is what I'll do. I will take some hemp milk. Hemp milk. It's awesome. It's got omega-3s, it's got omega-6s. I'll do about a cup of hemp milk poured into the blender. The next thing I'll do on a fast day is I'll take my favorite protein mix. This is plant protein complex from Now. Gluten-free, all the good free stuff, no dairy, no soy, all that. So this is my absolute favorite. I'll literally do a scoop of this, a cup of that, blend, throw it in a cup, off to work I go. But today I have extra time, so I'll do the same. Cup of hemp milk. Sometimes it runs a little short, so I might throw a little extra water in there. I'll blend it with my plant protein mix, and then we start to have fun. This is a multivitamin that I take, and this is called Greens First. It's got tons of stuff in it, and what's best is not only does it have all these fruits and vegetables and all this great stuff, it tastes really good. So Greens First, you might want to look into that. For those who are local, we do carry that in the office. So we got that, we got the hemp milk. Now this sounds kind of crazy, but I like protein as much as I can, and nuts are always good. Sometimes I'll do almonds. Pecans lately seem to be my favorite. These you can tell are right out of Costco. More hemp. Hemp is awesome, and this actually smooths it out. So today I'm actually going to throw in some shelled hemp seeds. So we're going to get some more of that omega-3, omega-6s in there. These are awesome, really good. It gives you that kind of earthy flavor too. I'm a huge fan of coconut. So today I already tossed some coconut chips in there. I don't know, maybe 3-4 tablespoons. Absolutely love it, and it gives me a little bit of crunch when I blend it up as well. Today I'm not going to be throwing in my power greens, but sometimes I will, and sometimes I'll just throw in kale. I know that sounds kind of crazy, kind of weird. It blends it up, it makes it look a little green. You can't even taste it, and you get some extra power pack vitamins in there. The reason I'm not throwing the power greens in today is because I'm using this mix. So this is an organic super smoothie mix. Got all kinds of stuff in there. It's got your blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, kale, spinach, bananas, and it's all mixed together and all organic. Awesome stuff. So this is what it looks like here. All blended up just like that. So you can see in my smoothie we got this whole mix in there. Looks kind of crazy. Throwing that in there as well. We got the whole kitchen sink in there. When I don't have that organic smoothie mix, I run out. Then I'll just take some blueberries usually, some strawberries, or a favorite is cherries. So let's go ahead and blend this thing up. Definitely put a lid on it. I made that mistake before. You absolutely want to put a lid on it. So I'm going to blend it, turn it down, blend this thing up. I'll pause and come back. All right, I actually wanted to show you, I had so much stuff in there, I really needed to add some water. So I'm going to grab some water, some really good filtered water, throw a little bit in there for your consistency, and start again. Always turn the blender down. Now we're talking. Look at all that. Wow. Looks like I'm going to need some mixing. Okay, I had to add a little bit more water to get a really good consistency here. Just take a look at that. Kale, blueberry, strawberry, hemp seeds. We got it all in there. This, believe it or not, is incredibly tasting and filling. I just did my workout, so I want to get something in as soon as possible right after that. Yum! Look at that. Awesome smoothie. So make it a great day. Go make yourself a smoothie. This will last me till probably noon. It's 8 o'clock right now. Make it a great day. That's good. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, I would ask you to hit the thumbs up button to like it. You can share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and please comment below. I will read it and I will respond. Thank you and have a nice day.